Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix your display brightness not changing or working. To get started, simply search for Device Manager. From here, expand the display adapter option. Now right click over it and click on Uninstall Device and simply click on Uninstall. So once done, click on the Action tab. From here, click on Scan for hardware changes. Now close everything and restart your computer, and this should resolve the issue. However, if it is not working, then proceed ahead with the next method. Open your browser and search with the name of the graphics that you noted earlier from Device Manager and go to its appropriate website and explore the driver and software section. Now here you will find the drivers for your graphics. Now in my case, if I show you, I am using a Intel UHD Graphics 630, and if I go to its properties and the driver section, you can see that the driver date. Sometimes outdated display drivers can also cause the issue to trigger. Now here you can see there is an updated driver, so simply download the updated driver, install it, and this will fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.